Hey Jess. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this option to play a video right here. Um, and it looks good. The site looks really good. Is this working? Does this take me to the microblading page? Good. Okay, there's a video on the home page as well. For future sites, let's not give it so much movement on every visit to the page. Let it be one time, so it will cut loading times. There's a lot of free space here. Not sure why, but there's a lot of free space here. So this paragraph should probably be extended to over here, and it'll be a shorter paragraph, and then get rid of this space here. Where's that video at? I saw a video. Where is it, Jess? There it is. Okay. Clients' testimonials, not testimonial clients. So clients' testimonials. Best our client says. Rephrase that to rephrase this to what our clients say, or client reviews, right? Something like that. Client reviews, or what our clients have to say. Yeah, what our clients have to say. That works. Instead of best our client says, what our clients have to say. And instead of testimonial clients, client testimonials. All right, let's keep going. Boom, boom, boom. I talked to you about that space. All right, make sure you add the where are all the links for the footer in here. The phone number. Let's get the phone number down here again so that they can click on it and get back to it. And all of the other options as well too, like the other all the other pages, all the links to the other pages. So let's get the links to the other pages, the address down here, and the phone number down here. So after they scroll through everything, they don't have to go back up to the top. I know you put contact us here. Let me see something. Is this going to take me to the contact us page? Right. So let's just put the phone number there as well. All right. Boom. What's this do? Get in touch. All right. Good. You can make a straight phone call. What does this do? Oh, that's cool. Oh. So can we connect this to the can we connect this to her booking page? Let me know, because this is pretty neat. I like that. Okay. There's the map. There's the address. Thank you so much, sir. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Scar camouflage. What we got? What we got? A lot of space right here. A lot of weird space. Can we throw a picture in here? What we got? What we got? More weird space. Let's get a picture right here. Boom, boom. Okay. Talked about the footer. Cool. Next one. Did I do combo? Oh, what happened here? Did we not get any oh yeah, I guess we're not making combo live, right? Because combo is I don't have any content for that, so let's not make combo live. Alright, ombre shading. Did I look at that? Boom, boom, boom. This one too, so ombre shading, let's not make it live. Nanoblading. Oh, no information for that either. Huh. Okay. That's not live. Body contouring, I think we got that. Nope. Nothing for body contouring either. Wait, looks like we got information for body contouring. Oh, yeah, we do. So then just get rid of this. I don't know what this is. Said, whatever that is. Get rid of that. These pictures need to add up to the size of the content. So let's fill this out. Let's get a picture in here. Same thing. Dead space. Fill that in. Yeah, either one or two things happen. You either take the paragraph and make the paragraph extended so the photo is embedded in the content, or add some more photos. Alright, good. Let's see what else. Before and after care, and no information there. Alright, so before and after care, nanoblading. I love this picture. Love this picture. Okay, before and after care, nanoblading. We're good to go on scar camouflage. Come on. Combo. Yeah, you see all this movement? Like, just let it move one time when you first get on the page. After that, if they revisit the page, it shouldn't keep moving. Wait, was there information? So nothing on Combro, nothing on ombre shading. So it's just microblading, scar camouflage, body contouring, and that's it? Okay. Alright, cool. Cool, cool, cool. About us. I like it, I like it, I like it. Alright. We're gonna have to get rid of these people. We're gonna have to get rid of these people, and we're gonna have to put her in here. EYEENVY Studios. No, Studio, right? Studio22.com, or is that the one we're using? Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, Aura. Okay, boom. Let's see. Thank you, Aura. Her. Okay. So, can you grab this from this site, please, Jess, and put this down there where these three people are? This is cute, this is great, but let's go ahead and put her there. And hi, my name is Kayla, and I'm the owner of INV Studio, just a small town woman making her dream come true, always having a passion for beauty. I took on the role of entering a field where I can help women feel and look their best. Licensed to perform, my goal is to please all your beautiful faces. Alright, cool. Let's roll with that. Let's roll with that. Okay? And make it look a little more proportioned. I don't know how, but do what you do. Okay, that's it. Thanks, Jess. The site looks really, really, really good. And I'm going to jump back into Roof Repair Alpharetta. I think you said you updated that newsletter. Thank you so much.